Thank you for watching. Today marks the third day that we are shooting Vivian Tendo's music video. She's having a new song and we were selected. So she wanted us, Pathetic Films, to shoot this music video. Now, as I've been telling you, as you have been following, we had to travel 3 countries. That's Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, up to here where we are now. Right now we are in Zanzibar. Yes. So right now we are in the city. We are passing through. We are heading to Stony City. Yo! Actually, we have started our BTS for the. We're going to shoot Vivian Tendo's music. It's new video. Yeah, she's having a new song. Now we are in Zanzibar. Actually, before that, we had to travel like 3 countries. That's from Uganda to Nairobi, Kenya. Yep. Right now we are in Nairobi, Kenya to TZ, Dar es Salaam. Then now we are in Zanzibar right now. Before we heading to see Vivian Tendo, so we had to pass through the city. You know, kutoka na producer muko sege. Around the city. So you find the English is so slow. It's slow. Okay, it's okay. How is that going?
Why?
We want to go to Stony City.
Stony City. Money, I'm going to where?
Hey, money.
How much? Stony City.
How much? Yeah, okay. 5,000.
5,000. It's only 10 minutes to Stony City and you are starting as 5.
No, it's 2 minutes, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Around.
We're going to give you free.
No.
It has to be 2.
Yes, with the crew right now. We got to move. So we are looking for something to eat. We have seen here there is a Mandi coffee breakfast and everything. Just know the chicken is red. Hey.
The man is busy, very busy. Okay, talk to you. How much?
So how about
perfume? Want to buy perfume?
it's 10,000?
Men.
8,000 for lady, this for men. Yes, this one for ladies.
Yes, upstairs. This is for men. This is only for testing. All this thing is for testing. And after you're going to get in the box. Like this, you see? And this one. Is this and this.
These are testing.
Yeah, and stroke is this one. That is for lady, but it's nice. You know, from France. Home and Femi. Femi means female. When I was young, I left this car.
Place.
You remember? I left this job 2016.
2016.
I become retired.
You retired?
And now retire. I'm 77 now.
Oh, good. You're still strong.
God is great.
So we have got some time and we passed through the market and here we are. For them, they can pass anyway. In between the buildings, they are passing. No time. I'm just here with the presidents of the Zanzibar.
And the half president.
This is the president and this is the half president.
Yeah.
These are the normal guys who actually
Jumping place.
who jump in the ocean, like ninjas.
Yeah.
Yes.
All world knows about this place because we promote it heavily, you know. Yes, so we're gonna be, what is this? It's Mike Amaka.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
yes, because
We want you to talk about Zanzibar.
Zanzibar.
What's the word Zanzibar? You understand that
Zanzibar means that Zanzibar it is my name. First, my name is Hanafi Said Salim Bahresa. My name you can find in Vipolo Vyaunga, and I have my real name here, like it is Utofioro. That it is a special name, like in this area here. You understand? And my position, I used to stay of like a president, but with not big ara. You know, my ara is small. Okay, yes, but I'm president of here, which I manage for the guys, and we manage together because all of us we are young. So Zanzibar, it is between Tanzania and here Tanganyika and what?
Mainland and island.
Yes, mainland and island. So that's why they call Tanzania. Okay.
But
so Tanzania, but it is a two place, Zanzibar and Tanganyika.
Okay, can talk about the things what you do here, jump and everything.
These sports that we're doing here, it is belong.
Thank you.
Expensive, huh?
Very, man. This is like
Now he's calling his friends to come for a good photo. Today marks the third day that we are shooting Vivian Tendo's music video. She's having a new song and we were selected. So So she wanted us, Patrick Films, to shoot this music video. Now, as I've been telling you, as you have been following, we had to travel 3 countries. That's Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, up to here where we are. Now, right now we are in Zanzibar, yes. Now, we are from shooting from the ocean right now. This experience is very good. My God, the way the winds on the ocean, everything was good, everything was, I can't even tell you, but get time, come and visit this place. It's very good. We have enjoyed. Vivian Tendo, she's a very good person and amazing lady. By the way, go to her music channel and watch this video. It's going to be superb. Everything was good. We have had a very good team, my team, and actually I want to thank these guys because they have been there for me, because we have been having a long week and we are still shooting, by the way. We are going right there to shoot, okay? Keep on the screens, keep watching. See you.
Ini ya sasa kama